Once upon a time, there was a beautiful place called Fairyland. Many teeny fairies lived there. They gave flowers their sweet fragrance. They spread light in the rivers. And they brought smiles to children's dreams. Among them lived a little fairy named Meher Fairy. She was the very youngest, but the kindest of all. She had a small magic wand. It only grew it when Meher felt true happiness in her heart. Every morning, all the fairies worked together to send sunlight to the world. But one day, something strange happened. Dark clouds covered the sky. The sun disappeared. Flowers began to fade. Butterflies began to sad. And Fairyland was lost in darkness. The fairy queen called all the fairies and said, "These dark clouds are blocking our light. Someone must talk to them." The big fairies were afraid. No one had the courage to go. Then Meher Fairy said softly, "I will try. Maybe the clouds are just sad and needs a friend." The queen smiled and said, "Go, Meher. Your heart is full of light." Meher Fairy flew up to the dark clouds. The clouds looked very angry. Their voice was loud and scary, and lightning flashed in the sky. Meher said kindly, "Why are you so sad, Cloud brother? Everyone is scared of you." The cloud shouted, "I don't want anyone to see the sun. No one likes me." His voice was full of sadness. He said, "I come every day to bring rain, but everyone calls me dark and scary. When I rain, people run away. Children hide in their homes. No one wants to play with me. I only want to help, but everyone thinks I am bad." Meher smiled gently and said, "Don't forget, Cloud brother. Allah gave you a special gift. You are not bad. We all need you. You bring water, and your rain makes the flowers live again. And in summer, when you rain, children dance and laugh happily in the rain." The cloud asked slowly, "Really? Am I useful too?" Meher Fairy smiled and said, "Yes, when you rain, the earth smells fresh. Trees and plants become happy, and children see colorful rainbows. But when you hide the sun for too long, everyone starts to feel sad." The cloud thought quietly. He felt a little peace in his heart. Then he said, "I just wanted some love. Maybe that's why I became angry." Meher Fairy smiled and said, "See, love and understanding are the real magic." The cloud dropped tiny drops from his eyes. They were like tears, but those tears turned into beautiful rain. Then the cloud slowly moved away, and sunlight filled Fairyland again. All the fairies thanked Allah with joy. Meher has brought light back to Fairyland. The fairy queen came to Meher Fairy and said, "You are small, but your heart is the biggest. From today, you will be the light fairy of Fairyland." That day, a new lesson was written in Fairyland. When you understand someone, even darkness turns into light. And little Meher Fairy kept telling everyone, "A small kindness is the biggest magic of all." Friendship and understanding spirit light in the world. So kids, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Good Children for more magical and kind stories for every week.